Thank you for your interest in these incredible machines. They have supported us in war and peace. Let us remember those heroic crews too. The Cessna 150 is a two-seat tricycle-geared general aviation airplane that was designed for flight training, touring and personal use. In 1977 it was succeeded in production by the Cessna 152, a minor modification to the original design. The Cessna 150 is the fifth most produced civilian plane ever, with 23,839 aircraft produced. The Cessna 150 was offered for sale in the 150 Basic model, Commuter, Commuter 2, Patroller, and the Aerobat models. In 2007 Cessna announced a successor to the Model 150 and 152, the Model 162 Skycatcher. The main changes in the 150 design were the use of tricycle landing gear, which is easier to learn to use than the tailwheel landing gear of the Cessna 140, and replacing the rounded wingtips, and horizontal and vertical stabilizers with more modern, squared-off profiles. In addition, the narrow, hinged wing flaps of the 140 were replaced by larger, far more effective Fowler flaps. American-made 150s were all produced with the Continental O-200, a 100-horsepower engine, but the Reims-built aircraft are powered by a Rolls-Royce-built Continental O-200 as. Some versions have Continental O-240 engines. All models from 1966 onwards have larger doors and increased baggage space. With the 1967 Model 150G the doors were bowed outwards 1.5 inches on each side to provide more cabin elbow room. The 150 was succeeded in the summer of 1977 by the closely related Cessna 152. The 152 is more economical to operate due to the increased TBO of the Lycoming O-235 engine. The 152 had its flap travel limited to 30 degrees, from the 150's 40-degree flap deflection, for better climb, with full flaps, and the maximum certified gross weight was increased from 726 kilograms on the 150 to 757 kilograms on the 152. Production of the 152 ended in 1985, when manufacturing of all Cessna piston singles was suspended. A total of 22,138 Cessna 150s were built in the United States, including 21,404 Commuters and 734 Aerobats. Reims Aviation completed 1,764 F-150s, of which 1,428 were Commuters and 336 were Aerobats. Of all the Cessna 151-52 models, the 1966 model year was the most plentiful with 3,067 1966 Cessna 150s produced. This was the first year the aircraft featured a swept tail fin, increased baggage area, and electrically operated flaps. Thanks, you have reached the end of the journey. Take care, see you pretty soon. Safe flight.